Welcome to our new offices, the new home of Roos Advisors. Come on in, we'll show you around. Up we go to the 4th floor. Need help finding us? We're right here on the directory. Are we hosting you for a mastermind or a client meeting? Maybe we're helping you set your annual or quarterly plan. We'll meet you right here in our conference room. Are you joining us October 23rd and 24th for our mastermind where we bring all of our clients together? We'll see you here in the boardroom. And when you stop by, we'll make sure to have a freshly brewed cup of coffee for you in our convenient kitchen space. Want some one-on-one coaching, counseling, or consulting? Come on in. We look forward to seeing you October 23rd and 24th, where we will host you at the new home of Roos Advisors. We look forward to seeing you.